Bang, Neeves and Knives. I'm Jared with my lovely wife, Kara.
Hello, I'm Cole. Don't mind the blankets.
And today we are doing an unboxing. I have it down here on my lap because there's addresses all over it, but we are going to
CIA
unbox this knife. This knife was sent to us by one of our Patreons, so that's really awesome. I can't wait to get into it.
Can you just pull that flap?
Yeah, pull it first.
Flip. I'm gonna do some interpretive dance while he's opening it.
Okay, so we got a Twosun. We got an Artisan, at least the boxes. And we have a note.
Ella.
And there's one more box down in there. Whoa. Whoa, what's that? Some money? Holy cow. Thanks, man. That's awesome.
Yeah. Let's read this.
That's awesome, man. Thank you so much. Yeah, wait, yeah, read it first.
Hey, Jared and Kara. I messaged you on Patreon and you said you're interested in taking a look at these. Yes, I remember.
We ain't gonna read it out loud to everybody.
Oh, I'm sorry. Well, that's how this came about. Just so you guys know. Looks like there's something extra in there. And he has a list. And he included the money to... Oh, sweet. For return shipping and insurance. That is so helpful and so nice.
Yes, that really is. Seriously, like, holy cow. Yes, thank you very much. We are so thankful every time whoever sends something is able to...
and transportation to and from the post office. That's really nice.
Yeah, that's really awesome.
That's really, really nice.
You know what's crazy, too, is that you remembered that we actually have to pay to go to the post office. Thank you so much.
Wow.
We really appreciate that.
Okay.
That means so much to us.
I don't know if we're supposed to say his name or not, so I'm not gonna. But
No, don't say anything.
Okay.
Don't say anything.
All right. I'm not. I won't. Don't hurt me.
Because I didn't talk to
Don't
him
hurt
about that. Unless if it says in the... All right, go ahead, baby.
This one.
What is it?
It's that one.
What's the one?
The one is.
Probably on the box. Probably on the box.
I think it's called the.
The kobold.
I knew that. I was gonna say cobalt.
Right.
I couldn't remember the name. I didn't want to sound stupid.
That thing is tiny.
Oh no! I hate when I fail a new knife. I can't do it. There we go. Oh my gosh. Do you guys see this?
It looks like some sort of I don't know, like animal or something. I don't know, like a frog or something with an evil eye, an evil-eyed frog. I don't know.
Yeah.
Lots of belly for days.
I mean, it's not really belly for days.
Well, it gives you a tip though. It does give you a tip.
Yeah.
And what's cool?
Wait, I didn't even get to close it.
Go ahead. I would say what's cool about compact knives with belly for days is that since it's not a really long knife, it's still easy to get to the tip and still get leverage on the tip.
I'm gonna hold it right to be able to. There we go. I can do it lefty. Oh my goodness gracious.
All right, let's get to the next one.
Sir.
We gotta hurry.
I just want to look at that one the whole time. What if that's all I want to do?
There, go ahead.
Ooh!
We've never checked out a
This is
G10 Twosun.
I've seen
I don't
this
know.
one.
I don't remember what number this is. Maybe he wrote it down on the box.
Dang, this thing is...
The TS47.
So this is one of the, like...
And I will read your note thorough after the video.
This is one of the older models. And oh, wow, look at that blade shape.
Holy cow.
That's actually useful as crap.
Yeah, that's a badass one cliff.
Man, you know what? Okay, so...
I don't even get to check this one out.
Yeah, what are you doing? Check it out. Give it a little lift.
Ooh. Let's see if I can move it for it. Ooh. It's small for my hand.
Yeah, I know, it was small for my hand, but it...
Dang it.
Do it with your left hand.
I just gotta move my finger out.
I think it's easier lefty.
Dang it.
I'm telling you. Just listen to your wife.
Ha!
Do it lefty now.
I can't do it lefty.
Just do it.
I can't. I really can't.
Do it. You almost got it. If you didn't F around just now, you would have had it.
No, I can't.
Okay, fine. Let's go.
There it goes.
See? You got it faster with your left.
No, I don't know about that. Bang! This is cool though. I like to slow roll it and use the.
Hello, this thing. Look at this. Look at that shape. That is premium work knife shape.
Let me check it out.
Look at bing,
That's
bang,
a little more my
bang.
size. Yeah, that's a worn cliff.
I love it.
Sure.
It's like a weird. It gives me Yojimbo vibes.
I know a lot of people are gonna look at this and be like, "Yeah, not my style."
It's
but
useful.
This is so like right now, just putting it in my hand. Really look at.
Yeah. This is a hard use knife right here. I'll tell you that much.
Like this gets so big, like if. Ooh, shit, I already cut myself.
Did you?
Just barely. It feels like a glove almost. Like it fits your hand.
It even fit my hand.
So good. It's because of like the shaping and like if you look there's like I don't know if you're gonna pick that up on the camera, but it swells in like that. Yeah, this thing is really cool.
I'm not a huge fan of when knives have fat scale width. But in this instance, I understand the purpose behind it. I think that this would be
the thumb action.
Something you would get some incredible
what the fat what?
Scale width.
Fat scale width.
Like this way. When the knife is fat this way. Like when it's just it's very wide.
Gives you ergos.
Like it is good in certain circumstances.
Think about bearing down on something. You know what?
This would be, that's what I'm saying. It has a use.
I'm about to do a video on this exact subject, and it's could be about leverage. So I'll save the top.
I like how I can even choke up all the way here if I really wanted to.
Yeah.
If you have a smaller hand, you can still make this work.
All right, let's get to this one.
G10 has a nice feel too.
Yeah, this is my first time checking out a Twosun G10, but I actually like their G10. This is quality G10. It's actually even better than Civivi's G10. This is actually really well done G10.
Oh, no way.
This is so cool. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Okay, apparently today is the day of just failing every knife.
I'm going to leave this out.
You know what, to be fair, that's a weird shaped flipper tab, okay? It's not totally my fault. Whoa.
Looks like a flipper tab that would work.
No, look. She pointed down.
Yeah, so click it down. Like that. Here, go ahead. Do it again. Build pressure. There you go. You got it. You got it. This thing is really smooth, though.
Yeah. I like the noises. Like.
And you can also take your finger and drag it like this. Just drag. I meant to drag my tip, not my whole finger. But look, drag the tip of your finger straight down, like that. It feels good. Or just apply a little bit of tension. This thing actually flies out pretty hard.
Can I do a lefty?
Yeah, you can do it lefty.
Lefty is. I don't know why I always go with my right hand first. Ooh, I love. Look at the way when you. I like knives when you can close them like where you can like kind of slap them down like this.
It really wants to drop
like that.
too. Yeah.
It's
got like zero resistance on the close.
It has a really nice. I love knives where they have a really nice bearing feel in there. Where it's like almost like you can feel like the churning of the bearings.
I like when it's nice and smooth. You don't feel it, but I couldn't feel it.
It's not in a weird way. It's like in a. Just open it again and think about that. Okay. When you open and close it, it's like you just kind of can feel the mechanics in a good way.
Yeah, you mean just like the mechanical feel. Yeah. And then also, if you listen, you can actually almost hear it.
Yeah.
Hold on. Not
no,
that.
It's you can feel it.
It's when you're unlocking it.
No,
and like
I like it.
Yeah, I do too. It has
I've stared at this one online for a long time. I didn't know it was. Well, no, I did know it was.
This really usually ain't my style, but I love checking everything out. And I will say, man, this thing drops.
Artisan is one of my most like.
Let's see the middle.
Like looked at knives.
You're not gonna middle finger flick, or well, at least I can't right now. I will attempt to do it when I'm off camera, but as I can tell right now.
Just let me try.
I can do it.
You should probably just let me try.
Go ahead, try.
Yeah, so.
My fingers are too big for it, so. It's not going to happen. Here you go. How does the finger trail feel? Because it looks like it sweeps up a little bit.
I don't really think that's like.
Yeah, no, it's not.
My finger can fit in there, but even then I'm
recommend
on the edge there a little bit.
Thanks, bud. We really appreciate this. very awesome. Thank you for everything, the content, and paying for us to send all this back.
What the heck?
It does cost a bit of money for us to do return shipping. Probably a bit more than most people's because of the drive, which is very expensive for us. But, hey, we get together. Thank you very much. Thank you to all the rest of the Patreons. Thank you to everybody watching. Give us a thumbs up. Love you guys. Peace.